How to add a text box on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to add a text box or a paragraph box into your Squarespace website. So it is very easy and very simple. Head over to squarespace.com, then you are going to sign in into your account. Once you are here, you're going to visit the account dashboard. And for here, you're going to see the dashboard of the websites that you have created. We're going to select one of the websites and click on go to website. From here, we are going to see the menu or the control panel of that website. Basically, we are going to select the page that we are going to add the text box to. For example, here, this is the main page or the home page. We are going to select the page. Then we are going to click on the button edit. And from here, we are going to select a section. For example, if we have a section, we are going to select it, or we can add another section, just a blank section as this, and you're going to have the control of this section. So we are going to click on add block. When you click on add block, you're going to see right away the basics. These are going to be the simplest elements that you can add from the blocks. We are going to select text, and as you can see, we have here our text box right there. So what are we going to do? We can modify the style background of that text box by here selecting background. For example, you can put a background for it. You can put some strokes to it. You can also add some dash strokes or remove them. We have the blend mode. For example, you can go ahead and have some blend modes. You can blur whether the elements or the backdrop of it. And if you want to add some text to that block, right there, you are going to double tap on it, or you can select it and click on the pen tool right there. And then you are going to select the type of the text that you want to add. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.